Some families may not qualify for the child tax credit in 2026 if you file with an ITIN. The rules are getting stricter and not everyone will qualify the same way anymore. So here's what's going on. The child tax credit was one of the biggest credits families relied on. The thing is, the rules have gotten a lot stricter now. To qualify for the full credit, your child must have a valid Social Security number, not an ITIN, a valid Social Security number. And this is where it really starts to hurt families. Before, families could get up to $2,000 per child for the child tax credit. Now, if your child does not have a Social Security number, you may only qualify for the other dependent credit, which is only $500. That's a $1,500 difference per child. Let me say that again. A $1,500 difference per child. So if you have two kids, three kids, that's $3,000 or $4,500 difference. That's not small, that's real money. This is going to affect a lot of families in our community. Parents filing with ITINs, kids without Social Security numbers. And here's the problem. A lot of people are expecting the same refund they got last year, and this they're not going to get. Here's what I'm seeing people do wrong. A lot of people come to the tax office expecting large refunds, but this year they're not getting it. And a lot of them are in denial. We've seen some customers have a big refund to actually owing taxes when they file their tax return. So instead of filing their taxes, they choose not to file at all. That is not a good game plan because here's what's going to happen. Within 61 days, the minimum penalty for not filing your tax return on time is a doubling of what you owe or a minimum of $525 for simply not filing your tax return on a time. If you owe or are not prepared to owe, the best thing to do is to file your tax return, set up a payment plan, and not let the IRS take any extra money from you. So what should you do? First of all, don't wait to the end of tax season. Second, understand what credits actually qualify for. Third, have a plan. And because even if you don't qualify for that credit, there are still ways to reduce your taxes on what you pay, increase your refund, but only if you plan ahead and not wait. Bottom line, because when it comes to taxes, late or wrong gets expensive.